If you take some potting soil, put it in a gardening cloth with seeds, close it up and hang it up with a rope, you'll have a beautiful hanging plant. If you make a hole in a bag of fertilizer, put a slice of tomato in it and spray it with water, you'll have a tomato plant in a few weeks. If you make 2 notches in a sponge, slip in the seeds of your choice and sprinkle lightly with water while keeping covered, then you'll germinate your seeds 3 times faster. If the leaves of your plants have dried out, take a bottle with a base of milk, fill it with water and water your plants with this mixture. If animals love to come and eat the vegetables in your garden, simply cover them with a crate, and they won't be able to come and destroy your next harvest. If you want to water your plants even when you're not home, simply use a piece of cloth and a glass of water to create a drip effect. If you put oil and soy sauce on a plate next to your vegetables, then you'll have an insect trap. Comment on which city you saw this video from, and remember to subscribe and pick up the gardening guide offered on my account.